Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make a website multilingual in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and in order to make your website multilingual, we just need to go to Add Elements right here on the side panel, and then we will go to Multilingual right here at the bottom, and then we will add this to the site. So multilingual is a feature that you can use in your website so that your website has different languages depending on the country that they are using your website. And then after that, we are going to multilingual again. Make sure it is added. So let's just add it again. And then we will be prompted to go to the dashboard. So from here, we can click on Start Now. And then it will detect the site's original language. So is English your site's original language? So if it is, you can just set it as the default language. So if you want to change it, you can just click on No, I want to change it. So make sure that you are using the correct default language since you cannot change this once you confirm it. So I will just click on this button right here, Set Original Language, and then select a flag to represent English on your site. You can just choose a specific countries, for example, United States or Canada, and so on and so forth. So I'll just choose United States, then click on Select Flag. Then from here, confirm that English is the original language. So click on it. And then we can now add other languages right here. So if you want to add another language, just click on the button and then select the language that you're going to use. So for example, I will use Tagalog, and then I will choose the Philippines. So from here, you can choose if you want this to be a local setting. So for example, if the user is using your website in another country, it will automatically detect that language. So you can choose if you want to turn that on or off. And then you can also choose if you want to start translating manually, or you can choose machine translation. So for machine translation, you can have 5,000 words translated for free when you are using the free plan. But if you are using a premium plan, this capacity varies per plan. So I will just use the manual translation. So you can also choose here if you want to make the site in Tagalog visible right away. You can use yes, make it visible right away, and then add language. So from here, if you use the manual translation, you will have to manually translate all the words that is detected in your website. So for example, I click on it, click on Edit Translations, and then all of the other information in your website, you can just translate it here. So for example, I'll find the home page. Here is the home page. And then here is all of the information that is in my home page. So for example, I want to change our services into a manual translation. Like mga serbisyo, like that. So this is a translation in Tagalog. Then I can just click on Save. So if you have translated all of them, you can just click on Save so that all of them will be translated. And then click on Exit. And then if you want to add that specific translation, as you can see, it already added right here as a language menu. If you want to change the look of your language menu, you can just click on Add Elements, go to Multilingual, and then choose the specific design that you want. For example, I want this one, so I can just attach it to the header. And then now I have this design for my language menu. So I can just delete that, and then here is my menu for my website, and then click on Manage Menu. So if you want to see the languages that it is using. And then if you want to change the look of this design, you can just go ahead and edit the specific settings right here in the inspector tool. So we can see this in action. For example, if I click on preview, we can choose if you want to have the English or the Tagalog version of the website. And here's the Tagalog version, and then I only translated this one. So instead of our services, it says mga serbisyo namin. So this is in Tagalog. So if I change it into English, and then it changed back into our services. And then that's it. That is how you make your website multilingual in Wix Studio. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.